Proto.Lab offers 3D printing services. If you bring us a CAD file or bring us an idea, we can use our 3D printer to make that idea tangible. A 3D printer is essentially a mechanical hot glue gun that takes your model, slices it into very thin layers, and layers two-dimensional profiles on top of each other until you have a solid plastic part.
You can have an idea, you can sketch that idea and create a CAD file. Sending that CAD file to the printer and it creates that for you right before your eyes.
You'd use a 3D printer to make very complex parts and make working parts much faster and cheaper than you could out of any other medium. Our build volume is 12 inches wide by 12 inches long by 18 inches high. If you wanted to print something bigger, we can print multiple parts and we can adhere them together. We can even print out jigs and fixtures to hold the parts so that you know that they're accurately made. A small thing, bracelet sized, would take an hour. Up to a 12 by 12 by 18 print would take a week. So a lot of it is dependent on build volume. The type of files that we like to see are STL files or step files. Both of those we've had success with. If you're having trouble creating a file that we can use, we'll help you translate it. You can create those files in various CAD programs. Some of them are free, like Google SketchUp, or you can create it in a full-featured CAD suite. We can help you create the file if you need. A few rules of thumb: you don't want any geometry to be thinner than 1 millimeter. You're going to want your parts to be watertight, and being that there's no gaps or seams or anything like that that are open. And you want the parts to be manifold, as in they're not sharing an edge. If you have an idea that you want to hold in your hands, Proto.Lab can make that happen for you. You can get in touch with us at www.protolab.us.